AI, something we all know about. AI has many uses. Some use it to script YouTube videos, some use it to generate shot lists, and others use it for research purposes. Wait, many creators nowadays are tempted to generate all the shot lists and scripts for the videos using AI. But there is one problem. Using AI to generate your content for you is the easy path, and we all know that the easy path is most likely never the right one. There is one simple truth. AI cannot be creative. No matter what you try to tell it, it is a computer model, and it can try to generate creative content, but ultimately, it won't work. You can use it to help you, but you, yourself, need to create it.
Why are you bashing on me, Dad? You cannot beat me, Chico! I am the ultimate Figma! I have to beat you!
All in all, if you want to be creative, just create unique and personalized content you love watching. See you guys in the next one. Peace.